In real life, you can feel sound. The energy at a rock concert, the adrenaline of a great video game, the vibes at a club. That's why with headphones, you crank up the volume to levels that people around you start dancing. You want to feel the sound. For years, people have tried to add this dimension to gaming and personal audio. A subwoofer chair, a super vibrating vest, an intergalactic robo-machine. But all these products were big, cumbersome, and expensive. So we thought, hey, what if we could make something that lets you feel sound anywhere without looking like a stupid villain from a Batman movie? So our team of visionaries and engineers went into a lab, stayed there for 730 days and nights, and now we are proud to present the next big thing in personal audio. Woodger. Woodger is a silent, wearable device that enhances any game or multimedia. It lets you feel sound like never before. Its breakthrough technology produces true harmonic haptics. Just a bit bigger than a matchbox, Woodger is designed to deliver the vibes to your body. You attach it to your shirt or belt and simply connect it between your game or audio and your headphones. No apps, no installs, just plug and play. Woodger is designed to reflect the passion we all have for sound waves. Integrating all the technology into such a small form factor was a challenge. After endless iterations, we created a sleek, wearable device that delivers an awesome, fully immersed sensation. Unfortunately, we can't let you feel the sound, but with our prototype polyphonic transducer, you can see the sound. Now, here are some answers to your burning question. Does it have a rechargeable battery? Yes. Does it really work so well that you'll never want to play video games or listen to music without it again? Yes. With Woodger, can you hide the fact that you're dancing to a Miley Cyrus song? No, sorry. Woodger is so awesome that it substantially enhances any multimedia experience, even for the hearing impaired. We've collaborated with organizations for the hearing impaired to make Woodger even better for their community. The feedback was amazing. Testers who tried Woodger described it as a new color to their world and a game changer. But wait a minute. We're ready for production and need your support to bring this great product to market. So whether you're a gamer or a music lover, help us change the world of personal gaming and audio. And back us by making a pledge now. Woodger. Feel the sound.